Welcome to day 13, adjectives. As you know, adjectives are used in front of nouns to describe the color, shape, property, number, and many more details of a noun. After learning how to properly use adjectives, your sentences will become richer in context and you will be able to describe things in more detail. Don't forget to download the cheat sheet for this lesson by visiting the link in the description below. I made a cheat sheet for some of the most used adjectives in Turkish. The link is also in the description of this video. Be a supporter member and do the exercises for this lesson. The link is in the video description. And you can also learn more about being a supporter member, which is also in the description below. After the lesson, you can share your sentences with me. Let me know what you think about today's topic by writing a comment below. Let's get started. Adjectives in Turkish are also placed right in front of nouns like in English. They are never conjugated, never get the plural suffixes, ler, at the end, and have no gender-specific form like in other languages. Adjectives can be formed from both nouns and verbs. Here is a list of the most common adjectives with their opposite forms. Güzel, çirkin, ucuz, pahalı, büyük, küçük, kolay, zor, iyi, kötü, yavaş, hızlı, hafif, ağır, genç, yaşlı, yeni, eski, ince, kalın, kısa, uzun, zengin, fakir, sıcak, soğuk, dar, geniş, tatlı, acı, ıslak, kuru, boş, dolu, temiz, pis, aydınlık, karanlık. Although there are no gender-specific nouns in Turkish, you can use the nouns that indicate gender to be used as an adjective in front of another noun. Kız öğrenci derse geç geldi. Erkek bir öğretmen sınıfa geldi. You can use nouns as adjectives to indicate a person's nationality and occupation. İngiliz yazar Türkiye'yi ziyaret etti. Yazar kız Türkiye hakkında kitap yazdı. It is possible to create adjectives out of nouns by adding certain suffixes. If we add the suffix l, li, lu, lu to the end of a noun, you can make adjectives that mean with or dressed in, meaning adjectives. Hız, hızlı, şeker, şekerli, akıl, akıllı, şans, şanslı, et, etli, sağlık, sağlıklı, yağ, yağlı, tuz, tuzlu, yağmur, yağmurlu, güneş, güneşli, sis, sisli, güç, güçlü, umut, umutlu, endişe, endişeli. Tuzlu yemek yemeyi seviyorum. Yağmurlu günlerde dışarı çıkmam. Ahmet çok endişeli bir adamdır. The opposite of adjectives with the l, li, lu, lu suffix is the siz, sız, suz, süz ending adjectives, meaning without. Şekerli, şekersiz, akıllı, akılsız, şanslı, şanssız, etli, etsiz, sağlıklı, sağlıksız, yağlı, yağsız, tuzlu, tuzsuz, yağmurlu, yağmursuz, güneşli, güneşsiz, sisli, sissiz, güçlü, güçsüz, umutlu, umutsuz, endişeli, endişesiz. Ben sağlıksız yemekler yemem. Şanslıyız. Bugün yağmursuz bir gün. Endişesiz bir gün geçirmek istiyorum. You can also add siz, sız, suz, süz to pronouns and names. Bensiz, sensiz, onsuz, bizsiz, sizsiz, onlarsız. Sensiz bu filmi izlemem. Onlarsız mutsuz olurum. Ahmetsiz partiye gittik. Melisa'sız ne yapacaksın?